Wolfie.
Rigonda restoration, 1969.
Ethan.
That's the beginning. Speaker number 1.
Me and no, I'm here.
We'll take these out and replace them.
Let's go.
Something a bit better. I'm going to remove these bolts at the edges here.
I've got
And then
energy
take the front
dodgers.
off. So there we go.
Now that's how like a beginner. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here I come.
Okay, there's speaker number 2. As per the last one. Okay, so there you go. Speaker number 1 stripped. 1969 Rigonda. We're going to get some decent cover on there. They're ripping that horrible stuff off. We're going to probably just flat that down and give it a very light coat. Try and keep it local. The rest of the cabinets, actually, they're original. They look quite good, as you can see. So maybe just a polish down the sides. But we're going to probably try and upgrade these 10s to 12s if I can make it work. If not, just decent 10s, some new crossovers, and some black speaker cloth. Yeah, looking good. Pretty retro, pretty solid. Interesting opening them up and looking at the workmanship inside. It's quite funny. You know, there's odd screws laying in the bottom. Obviously some chap from Riga who built these in Latvia couldn't be bothered to put the screw on the ground, so just threw it in the bottom. There's like a little nut sitting in the bottom. Very individual, quite unique actually. So keep following this and we'll keep you informed. I'll show you the other one later when we start on that. That'll be a bit boring on the basis it'll be the same as what I'm showing you now, but hey, let's be consistent. Then I'll hopefully have some speakers on the next one and we can start getting it built. But I think they're going to look good. Dark wood with the cloth, dark cloth. Yeah, okay, so keep watching.